On the SilverTorch 66 channel, you don't see many unboxings. However, this one is quite special from a very special friend, Miss SilverSaver.
I am here for a reason. Sometimes in the tears I drown, but I never let it get me down. So when negativity surrounds, I know someday it all turn around, because all my life I've been waiting for, praying for the people to say that we don't wanna fight no more.
What a nice touch adding the gift box and bow to really make you feel special.
One day, one day, one day, yeah, oh, one day, one day, one day.
And then there is this beautiful COA from Mrs. V.
About win or lose, 'cause we all lose when they feed all the souls of the innocent. Blood-drenched pavement, keep on moving though the water stays raging. In this world you can lose your way.
And a special note from SilverSaver.
Drive you crazy, but don't let it phase you away.
Let's take a quick look and see what we've got.
Sometimes in my tears I drown, but I never let it get me down, get me down.
The 2018 SilverSaver Bar 3rd Year Edition. What a spectacular piece.
All my life I've been waiting for, praying
Let's check out the note.
for people to say.
Dear Torch 66, thank you for your friendship and continued support of my channel. Thank you especially for your mentorship. Please accept this gift as a token of my gratitude. Your friend always, SilverSaver. I certainly will, SilverSaver, and I will cherish it always. Miss SilverSaver is one of the kindest souls who exemplifies what our silver stacking community is all about. She is completely dedicated to stacking and believes in silver. She watches our videos and always has the kindest comments. She is constantly seeking knowledge and will share her experience and wisdom to those who will listen. Her videos are artistically creative and completely from the heart.
All my life I've been waiting for, praying for the people to say that we don't wanna fight no more.
She has the sweetest and kindest voice that calms your soul when you hear it. But never mistake her kindness as weakness, because this lady has kicked cancer's ass more than once and wields some pretty serious hardware wherever she goes.
And this one I bring with me always. And yes, I have a license to carry. No, I do not advocate violence, and I am essentially a peace-loving person. However, I will not hesitate to exercise my right to protect myself should the situation call for it.
SilverSaver put together a great collaboration to create her 2018 SilverSaver bar. Silverspoon 22 designed and sculpted the mold, and Mrs. V sandcast and poured the creation into existence. And what an exquisite creation it is. As anyone in our community will attest, it's considered an honor to possess a SilverSaver bar. They are either gifted or awarded, and if you have one, you know just how special it is. I am very humbled to have been graced with this gift. It will serve as a constant reminder of our personal friendship and our shared passion for silver. Thank you.
Someday it all turn around, because all my life I've been waiting for, praying for the people to say that we don't wanna fight no more. There'll be no more wars and the children will play.